Going to Erewhon. Shopping. I'm with Mom. What's the Hailey Bieber's smoothie again?
This one I want to.
It's really good.
Oh, masarap talaga.
I really like this one. We are currently in a rage room because we are enraged. Let's go! The weapon of choice. I'm a mess. Good morning. Eating at Porto's. I'm eating a chicken plate, an almond latte, and I have the cheese
Just one bite.
This is Mom's first time at Mom. Hi. There.
Oh, look at that.
Yum.
There. Okay.
There's so much stuff in Hogwarts. I want to eat everything. We just ordered crumbl cookies on DoorDash. They're very expensive. Crumbl time! Cookies! Whoa! In total, we paid $24 for all of this. So this is the lemon one, the
Lemon
Oreo one, the Jimmy
Kimmel.
one, and the birthday cake.
Bestest.
Delicious. I'm going to try out the lemon one. I like it. I got the birthday cake one. I think this is the softest of all of them. going to Malibu. Malibu ba? Yes. Hi, Mom. Pancakes, eggs Benedict, a local mocha. I found my wicked tumbler. Nowhere else but in Malibu. What are we gonna do today? Actually, don't have plans.
Walk to the beach.
We're just gonna chill. I'm also with Mommy and with Shani Bunny, who's not here. We're in Matador Beach. Look at the view. Shut up. We're getting In-N-Out burgers! Yes! It's my first one for this trip. Excited! Hi! Can I please get 3 double cheeseburgers and 2 animal style fries?
Would you like onion on those cheeseburgers?
Yes.
Yes, please.
No tomatoes, please.
For all 3?
Just for 1.
For 1, no tomato?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything to drink?
No, thank you.
Is that gonna be it for you guys?
Yes.
To eat in the car or to go?
To go.
To go.
Alright, so I have 2 double doubles with onion, a double double no tomato with onion, and 2 animal fries to go.
Yeah.
It's gonna be $29.60.
That's a good boy. It slaps every time.
The fries.
Got Wanderlust ice cream, mango sticky rice, and this one is ube malted crunch. Thank you, Honey Bunny.
That's not from me.
No, like thank you for sharing all your stuff with me.
Thank you, Jackie.
Thank you, Jackie. Crunch. I prefer the ube than the
Then the mango.
mango sticky rice because the mango sticky rice is a little bit icier. This one is creamy and delicious.
Terms and conditions apply. The PayPal app has unlimited low prices for holiday shopping. Get cash back on.
Okay, barbecue time. Mom, the wind is pushing me forward. Mom! This wind is crazy.
Oh my god, it's so windy!
We'll just get coffee at Pete's while waiting for my sister. And then maybe we'll get lunch. I don't know. We don't have plans.
Yeah, so windy here!
Eating Chipotle again. Oh yeah, this is my second Chipotle experience ever.
Eat what?
No, I did. I got the most basic Chipotle bowl to ever exist.
In Tokyo. That's so nice. There's a chance to
Fly! And if I'm flying solo, at least I'm flying free. So those who ground me. We're watching Wicked. Cheesecake Factory. The way I ordered a tolling, they gave me a venti at 4:30 p.m.
Kasama na yun.
I can't believe that's worth $20.
Let's see.
Come on, give us a win. Why is it taking so long? Wait! Hi! It's my last night in LA.
Turn, rotate.
Wait. Oh my god, Grandma. It's my last day in LA. Boo!